this is Ed Getley. It's June the 4th, 2019. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm going to hold it close to the camera, but I'm here at Rogie Falls in Scotland, and the falls are right in back of me here. So I'm going to turn around so you can see them here in a second. And there they are. There's Rogie Falls. And I got to hold on to the camera so I don't drop it. And I hope my fingers are not over top of the microphone either. But there it is. On the bridge here, the bridge moves a little bit. So there you can see the bridge. And it's up here. Looking for salmon. I don't see any. They're supposed to be jumping up here in the water. But anyhow. Well, I'm on the other side of the bridge, and you can see it back here because it's down there in back of me. And this is at Rogie Falls, and like I said, I don't know where the microphones are. I always seem to be covering up the microphones on there. A little rain coming down, so you might get some drops on the lens, but going back, I'm over here, so the waterfalls is back up there. And on the other side over there, there's a man-made thing for the salmon to run up to make it easier for them to get up past the falls. I don't see any salmon though. There's a few no-see-ums out here. They're starting to fly around my head. You might see them on the camera, so I'm going to keep moving here and head on down. Okay, I'm walking across the bridge here, and as I walk across, you can see the falls are out over there. Off to the side, and I'm still going to walk across the bridge here, so we'll see how this goes here to get to the other side. And we'll keep moving here, and we'll come off to the other side and take another look at the falls there. Okay, Ed Getley signing off. Bye bye.